My name is Hung-Tien. Today, I am going to show you my autonomous bus model. First of all, the mapping part. When you go to a foreign country, you need to open up your Google Map and figure out where you are. And this is exactly what my autonomous bus needs to do. Running the G-mapping algorithm requires a lot of CPU resources, so the old Droid X24 on my autonomous bus is absolutely unsuitable to do this job. We have to remote control the bus and use the onboard computer to collect the sensor data into a ROS file. This is what you see on the left bottom corner of your screen. Later, I replay the ROS file with G-mapping algorithm on a Intel Core i5 laptop. Here it is, the map we built. Then, the navigation part. Put the map into the AMCL navigation system, set the 2D nav goal, and go! Here we are, the destination. My name is Hung-Tien. Thanks for your watching.